H&R Construction Equipment Parts is one of the largest construction equipment dismantlers in North America and a fully exhaustive supplier of construction equipment parts, from new and used to rebuilt and reconditioned. H&R has developed a reputation as a respected and valued parts supplier in its nearly 40 years of operation. Today, that work continues as a dedicated parts supplier to top OEM dealers across North America, large fleet owners, municipalities, and countless independent dealers, repair shops, and individuals. At the H&R headquarters in Buffalo, a knowledgeable and customer-focused sales staff provides fast and robust connections to H&R's deep inventory of construction equipment parts. H&R further supplements their parts search capabilities through robust connections to a diverse network of parts suppliers throughout North America. H&R dismantles and salvages over 150 machines every year, with a primary focus on excavators, loaders, dozers, and articulated trucks. With an emphasis on customer service, consistent parts quality, and fast and streamlined service, H&R developed the upfront process for its teardown, inspection, and rebuild operations. This process is a proven differentiator among its competitors, as it leads to reduced lead times for parts and increased information for customers. In Buffalo, reconditioning and rebuilding technicians bring a wealth of knowledge to every project they take on. Repeated and consistent inspection, initial cleaning and dismantling, measured and methodical rebuilding processes, and thorough parts testing ensure technicians that their work will exceed expectations and consistently outperform the competition. After completion, parts that require painting are processed in the H&R paint shop, and every part is handled by well-trained and dedicated storage and shipping team members who are accustomed to working with the often extreme size of the parts in the H&R inventory. With over 135,000 square feet of indoor storage and over 35 acres of outside storage for large weather-resistant parts, the H&R inventory is deep, robust, and a frequent source of unique, hard-to-find parts for searching customers. In addition to used and rebuilt parts, an open system of communication between sales and inventory specialists, information and request tracking, and industry insight help inform decisions about inventory improvements for new parts in an effort to maximize customer engagement and best serve the ever-evolving needs of the H&R customer. When you call an H&R parts specialist, request a part quote, or purchase a part from H&R, you kick off a proven process with one honest and straightforward goal in focus: getting you the hardworking part that will stand up to your work, quickly, hassle-free, and backed by a long history of delivering the toughest parts to the toughest people.